What's up, YouTube? Today we're going over the 3 simple steps to become rich. I'm going to use Robinhood again, my favorite account. It says right here that we have 6 cents of buying power. Buying power, 6 cents. Withdraw or spend, 6 cents. Not enough. So, we're going to go down to stock we already own. Go to PCG, which is PGE. Power and Gas, which is the power company that I pay for my electricity. So I have a lot of confidence that the bill's going to keep coming, which means the stock's going to be there. So I have 100 shares, which I bought through an options contract for $17 a share, $1,700 position. It says I'm negative $903, negative 53%. So we're going to go trade options, and here's the bummer part. We have to go all the way out till June for a $17 car. May doesn't even have one, only goes up $15. So June, $17. That's what I paid. That's what I'm gonna sell them for. If I buy and sell at the same price, I don't ever lose any money. But I always get to keep the premium that they pay you for making the contracts in the first place. It even gives you some statistics. I don't really pay attention to them, don't pay attention to them, but it says chance of profit, 93%. Chance of profit, 93%. I'm rich, bitch! We bought them at 17, we're gonna sell them at 17. They give you the bid, 37 cents, and they ask 61 cents. The average is 49. Most likely it's not going to fill there, that's just an average. So we're going to do like 48. So I'm going to do one contract because I have 100 shares. We're going to put in like 48 cents probably. And then it says at the bottom, you are agreeing to sell 100 shares of PCG at $17 per share on or before June 19th. That part sucks, it's far away. But the virus ain't going anywhere anytime quick. If you aren't asked to sell, meaning if they don't go up to $17, most likely nobody's going to buy them. Then you'll get to keep your collateral, which is the 100 shares, because nobody's going to pay me 17 if they're only trading for 15, and the full $48 credit, which is where I make a lot of my money. $48 for just letting it sit there until June. Well, not $48 because it's not going to autofill. So we're just going to replace the order for a lower price. Probably going to go down like 1 penny at a time until I actually get sold. Cancel. It says 50 is the minimum credit now, which is obviously a lie because it's not filling at 49. And do 45. Pretty sure it's going to fill at 45. Yeah, instantly filled. $45. But there it is. $45 credit. There's the tries that I had to do before where it wouldn't fill. But Robinhood's free, so you can't complain about the lag when the market's on fire. There we go. Cash, $45. Now it's time to buy stocks. Now that we have cash to buy stocks with. And we're going to use that money to average down some of our other positions. Like we're going to buy more of ACB. I got 75 shares last week doing this same thing. I'm going to top it off with another 25 shares. I do a limit price because I don't want to pay any more than 69 cents. When you do a market order, you're agreeing to pay up to 5% more based on volatility. I'm not paying 5% more. I'm willing to pay 69 cents. So now we're going to average down on PCG that we just sold the contract for. Because as you saw, my price is really high compared to what it is now. 27 bucks. Buy 3 shares. Limit price again because I'm not willing to pay any more than $7.95 at that moment. Then 103 shares. 103, my average cost now is $16.74 instead of $17. So now we have $3.99. We're going to sell another contract now that we have 100 more shares of ACB. April 9th, where I already have a contract. It says they're still paying $6. We're going to do one more contract. 5 and 7, 6 is the average. I think we're just going to take the 5 though. I'm not worried about fighting for $1. Sell, order received, instantly filled because I just went $1 under. So $3.99 plus 5 is like $9. So we can buy one more share. Yeah, there it is. $9 buying power. It's $8 instead of $7.95 now, but whatever. Buying just one share, spending every penny I can to buy more stock while it's all on sale. And it'll go through eventually. Not worried about the 1 penny. It'll float up and down. Now we are back down to 97 cents. We made $45 that we didn't deposit. We just used the stock we had to get $45 and then another $5, so $50 today. Then we bought 25 shares. Then we bought 4 shares and never deposited a penny. And that's the 3 steps of how to get rich. Use the money you already have to make more money without doing any actual work until you're rich.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we